when you look at what the Lord has done, personally, I'm very, very excited.
They're able to come and get some medications or come and get a very basic procedure. Here stateside, something very basic, but over there, it's like a miracle. It's like you've performed a miracle for them.
We are in the right track. Praise the Lord, Brother Steve. God bless you.
These are not bad people. They're people who may be in a tough spot, and they're very, very grateful for the care they receive here. So it's a very rewarding experience.
I have to say that the people here at this clinic literally saved my life.
We're here with some of the HIV children who their parents have passed away, and now they get to live here before they pass away to be with God, to learn and pray, and to learn about Jesus. So this is one of our little children here. Say hi.
Genesis World Mission is a non-denominational Christian organization working to convey the love of Jesus Christ by meeting medical, physical, and spiritual needs of the less fortunate, both locally and globally. Genesis has 3 impact areas in an effort to bring healing to people around the corner and around the world: the Garden City Community Clinic, the Volunteer Physicians Network, and Genesis International.
Not only do we need to be going other places, but we have people right here in our own backyard that need care and services. And so this clinic was developed to serve those individuals and does so very well.
Designated as a medically underserved area by the federal government, Garden City contains a high percentage of low-income, uninsured residents for whom basic health care seemed completely out of reach. 38% reported no health care insurance, compared with 13% of Ada County residents. 39% reported mental illness and/or substance abuse problems, compared to 23% among Ada County residents. But poverty is not limited to Garden City alone. Patients from all over Ada County, Canyon County, and as far away as Mountain Home come to the clinic for its high-quality, compassionate care. In December 2002, Genesis World Mission started the Garden City Community Clinic, opening a new door for these uninsured and needy families. The clinic provides charity care at no cost to eligible patients.
This clinic adds a very valuable service to this community because there are thousands of people in Garden City and the Treasure Valley who do not have any health care whatsoever. There are many people in the community that need a primary care home or primary care clinic to keep them out of the emergency rooms, to keep them from traveling from one doctor or one practitioner to another.
When I first came here, I was really frightened because I didn't have any idea what they were about or what I would have to do. They sat down with me and paid attention to what I said, and I get a little emotional because it was wonderful. They treated me absolutely like a queen. So I can't say enough good about this place and the people that work here.
In the years since its inception, the clinic continues to mature and grow. And as the number of volunteer medical providers steadily increases, so have the number of clinic hours available each week. In addition, the Garden City Community Clinic offers basic dental care. Because diagnosis without treatment is of little value, the clinic manages and provides patient medications through a variety of sources. Volunteers fill out applications for free prescription drugs from manufacturers on behalf of the patients, taking care of the laborious paperwork and ensuring a consistent supply of these critical medications.
It's really rewarding to see people that otherwise don't get much respect and don't get treated very fairly in the system, and to help those people along, treat them with kindness and compassion and love, and help them get better and lead a normal life.
I was falling down, blacking out. There was serious stuff going on, and it's like I saw 5 doctors before I came here when I was able to work.
The Volunteer Physicians Network, launched in 2006, provides specialist care for eligible patients from Terry Riley Health Services, Family Practice Residency of Idaho, and the Garden City Community Clinic. Physician specialists sign up with VPN, who then manage and arrange for the specialty medical care needed in cooperation with local labs, hospitals, and physician practices. This system allows low-income patients to receive the procedures or surgeries they require at no cost. And with a large number of specialists participating in the program through one central referral network, no one physician becomes excessively burdened with charity cases, while the large number of specialists provides consistent availability to patients.
Every week we're getting new interest in this program, and the idea is to allow these underserved individuals to have access to quality specialty care, the same kind of care that the rest of us have access to.
I don't know how or what I said that Dr. Kohler considered it serious enough to look through an MRI, but had she not done that, I mean, Dr. Juicy actually said that she literally saved my life. They found that I had 2 fractured vertebrae in my neck, and they had shifted and were compressing my spinal cord to the point where my body was actually trying to shut down. When I did go in to see Dr. Juicy, he did surgery, fused 5th, 6th, and 7th vertebrae together, and it relieved all of the pressure off the spinal cord, and it for the first time in 8 years, I was pain-free.
They're able to functionally change their lives, get their lives turned around based on the services that they can get here.
In its early years, Genesis International provided support and teams for short-term medical trips overseas. Now, using the Garden City Community Clinic as a model, Genesis is focused on its long-term goal of replicating the clinic in underprivileged countries, creating a sustainable presence of medical care for the poor in these communities. In partnership with organizations and ministries throughout the world and churches in the Treasure Valley, Genesis International played a key role in opening a 6,000 square foot medical facility in Kenya, operated by Kenyans, and now receiving a steady flow of patients. Built next to a women's and children's center, the clinic also reaches out to thousands in the neighboring area with the love of Jesus.
That's going to be a spiritual environment where we are going to provide people with care that is holistic. This is going to be really affordable, and we are targeting the poor and the very needy people.
From the aspect of being a beacon of light, I guess, as you would say, that just doesn't impact people coming here, but has an impact going out into the community. It can be very influential in impacting, just the way the structure is here, and the political structure, and how things are done.
With the Kenya Clinic practice successfully established, Genesis continues to look at the potential for sustainable clinic sites in underprivileged areas of the world.
Behind me is a facility for orphans who are diagnosed with HIV disease and AIDS. This is the type of ministry that Genesis World Mission is partnering with to help provide their ongoing medical care.
Those people matter very much. They're very, very gracious people.
I don't have a clue where people go or what they do if they aren't aware of this program or this place. I don't know what they do. I mean, they die. Every person has something to say. Anyways, every person has something to contribute to this planet. If you don't listen or pay attention, something is lost. I can't think of a better place to put your money or your time. It's worth it. It's worth it to try to pay attention.
So let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich. Let the blind say, I can see. It's what the Lord has done in me.